Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Kaba Ilco number X83 Mercedes-Benz key blank. It says MB, I think it does. Yeah, I would say MB39 is what that says there. Let's see if we can get... Yeah, MB39. So this video is to serve as visual and dimensional evidence of the item. Appears to be a convenience style key, and that the milling of the key blank is symmetrical on either side, so that you'd be able to put the key into, I would imagine, the ignition. I don't know if this is what part of the car this goes to, but in either direction. The shoulder stops are symmetrical on either side, and that milling profile appears to be symmetrical as well. Okay. This video is to serve as visual evidence of the item. A little bit of dimensional evidence. The height of the blade is 0.328. 0.328. The distance from the shoulder stop to the top of the blade before it breaks, I will tell you that that appears to be right at about 0.857. 0.857. Okay, right there. For Mercedes on the back. There is some supporting documentation worth looking at below this video. Let's take a look now. Okay, so here is the item that we are looking at. This is the broaching profile of what the cylinder looks like that the key goes into. This would look symmetrically opposite from the key blank. So if you're looking at the tip of the key, in your mind's eye, you'll have to reverse this around. That's what the cylinder looks like. Supporting documentation would come from the link here to the manufacturer's page, to the key blank catalog. And again, that is a part number X83, so we'll copy that. 500 pages worth of key blanks from Kaba Ilco. When we search X83, it'll come up a number of times. So it appears to come up 4 times. First in the table of contents, so to speak. Then the catalog page. It's in section 1. You may not have noticed that earlier. Section 1, page 99 is where this is to be found. Section 1 is the automotive. Okay, that's the key blank that's there. Other Mercedes blanks from Kaba Ilco are also listed here. And once you know what section of the catalog that you're looking in, you'll be, the benefit is being able to see all the other key blanks. And as I continue to scroll, there's at least 4 pages worth of this material. So very handy. Section 1, again, is all automotive. Section 2 happens to be typical locks. Your Schlags, your Yales, your Sargents, your Medicos, your Corbin Russwin, things of that nature would be in Section 2. Section 3, I think, are unusual key blanks, specialty key blanks. Don't quote me. I don't get out of Section 2 very often because I don't have a need to. But the point of the X83 searching the document will show you all of the instances of where it comes up. There's also a cross-reference in the back. Dominion apparently has had a key blank equal to the X83, and that's the Dominion part number there. Okay. So very handy. That link to the manufacturer's page is handy because it will allow you to see not only all of the Kaba Ilco products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as several other encyclopedic documents that are here, whether it be the key blank catalog or manuals for their key machines, or the brass cylinder manual that's here, etc. Let's wrap up this video on camera. In conclusion, very high quality key blank from a very high quality company. Exceptional technical support in the cylinder department there. I have cut personally countless tens of thousands of Kaba Ilco blanks, and about 2 years ago, maybe 1 year ago, there was a Kaba Ilco blank. I mean, we've cut tens of thousands. I'm just guessing over who knows how many. Impossible to know. So many Kaba Ilco key blanks that we've worn out our key machines that have had to go back and be rebuilt. In all of those years, 3 decades in fact, there was one key blank. It was a best A keyway. We were doing a small job of 30 cylinders and cutting all the keys first, pinning the cylinders, got to one cylinder, and one of the 2 change keys didn't work. And what did I do? I was perplexed, and I don't recall how I determined it now that I'm thinking about it, but the root of the key was about 5 thousandths off. So when I measured the blade height of the key, I think it was giving me the right root dimension, but the overall height of the blank wasn't correct, so I wasn't indexing. Oh, I think that's what it must have been. I was indexing too far below the key blank, and it was the, you know, I took another blank and cut it, and it worked perfectly. And then I realized the root, the bottom of the key blank was not milled at the proper reference from the bottom of the blade. And I don't know how that could have been possible. It's as if it was manufactured and then skimmed off at the bottom about 5 thousandths of an inch. The point of that shaky memory of mine, I apologize, is that in 3 decades, in tens of thousands of key blanks, could be hundreds of thousands, I don't know, there was just one key blank that was clearly defective. So pretty amazing, in my opinion. Any questions on the X83 key blank for Mercedes-Benz or any other Kaba Ilco product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.